Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this 3-piece patio set, which includes 2 chairs and a coffee table. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this patio set, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. Here are the 2 backrests for the chairs. They're lightweight and easy to manage, and the PE rattan material is pretty good quality. Here are the right and the left armrests for the chairs. The right armrest is labeled B, and the left armrest is labeled A, and as you can see, the material looks vibrant and ready to use. Here are the 2 seats for the chairs. Underneath, you can see the crossing metal supports that add strength and durability to the chairs. Here are the parts for the table. These are the front and back panels. These are the left and right stands. And this is the tabletop with suction cups for the tempered glass to stick to. Now, I forgot to catch the tempered glass top and the 2 cushions. So here's a photo of those pieces. Here are the bags of hardware. They come pre-organized, which will help speed up the assembly process. And here is the instruction manual. Inside, there's a full parts and hardware list. And they use these large photos to help guide the assembly. So now that you're ready to assemble your patio set, the #1 tip to assembling this set properly is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This set only uses machine bolts for hardware. Therefore, the parts cannot be restricted since the bolts need to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So to seamlessly get the bolts to fit, all of the parts need to be loose. Now, there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each bolt by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the patio set sits level to the floor. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the patio set, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid stripping the bolts. Now, to quickly review this 2-person patio set, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this set is awesome. First things first, this patio set is built to last. The thickened metal frame enhances the load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 350 pounds per chair. Plus, the PE rattan is designed to withstand hot and humid outdoor environments, protecting the furniture from fading, cracking, or becoming moldy, so you can enjoy this set for many summers to come. The chairs feature ergonomic armrests and a curved backrest that makes sitting comfortable, and the sponge-filled cushions are comfy as well to enjoy hours of relaxation. Now, one of the best parts about this patio set is the variety of color combinations that are available. The set we're reviewing today is the brown and gray combo, but you can also choose from other options like blue and red cushions or a gray rattan color. So it's easy to find a combination that matches your outdoor decor. And this set isn't just versatile in style, it's also versatile in use. Whether you're setting it up on your porch, patio, balcony, or poolside, it provides an excellent relaxing and entertainment space. And maintenance is a breeze with this set. The tempered glass tabletop can be easily cleaned with a wet cloth, and the cushion covers come with zippers, making them removable for washing. Now, as for the assembly, it took about 40 minutes to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, the patio set also comes with an Allen key to tighten all the bolts. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between an hour to an hour and a half for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this 3-piece patio set and would highly recommend it if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space with a set that's sturdy, stylish, and easy to maintain. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.